the same boat. It seems the ship we thought would perish perilously to the depths of the deep, to the gods an awful offer, is now reaching harbor after years of coffer suffer. Our not-so-maiden voyage stops and grumbles. The engines, fueled by the arms of the workers, face salty, not from the sea, heart broken, body sore, from the burden of bringing her ashore. A tragedy! What a tragedy we've gone through. The men on the deck weeps with glee. Do you think they feel the lightness of the hull? The funerals we've held in darkness. Do you think they're as haunted by the normalcy after the storm, the aching dull after 2 years of seething scorn? A tragedy. We'll forget. We'll forget. They chant like a cruel prayer. Do they not see the anchor yet to descend, the circling creatures of the dark, the wind signaling wrath? The noble normalcy, we've reached you at last. They worded like fabled unity, the tricks of the shameless. But we folded paper boats, we hid it in our mask, a testament to our song, albeit nameless, about who fought the seas, about the heroes and the selfless. Oh, hear this ode to awareness.